Hey everyone, this is Ralph with East Coast Classics, showing you our 2001 Chevy 1500 short box conversion to an SS with a supercharged 4.8, sitting on 24 by 10 Vossen wheels on all four corners. You'll see on the interior now that this truck has been converted, but it's been converted correctly. You're going to see the seats. We'll get in there now. The whole interior has been custom done on it. It's got the gauges up here for your oil pressure, your boost, and the volts. You see there, those have been upgraded as well. It's got a nice Pioneer doubled-in radio. The seats have been reupholstered in leather. Red seat belts, red stitching, and the red SS Silverado on the headrest. We're gonna go in. Truck starts right up. It's got 76,397 miles currently on it. I will note that the truck does get driven, so it will have more miles as time passes, but not a whole lot. I'm gonna go into the hood now. Vortec 8-cylinder engine. It's got heads from a 5.7-liter LS motor. It's got Edelbrock headers. It's got the full exhaust all the way through. Oil packs or MSD. There's your Magnasum supercharger. Have air intake on it as well. The truck runs and drives just perfectly. It's ready to be enjoyed by its owner. And there you have it, our 2001 Chevy Silverado SS. If anybody has any questions, please look us up at www.eastcoastclassics.com, or you can call us at 786-227-6975. Thanks for watching.